I'm filming for both YouTube and TikTok. But I gotta do it, guys. Since I was filming for both TikTok and YouTube, my mind was literally everywhere, so I forgot to even do like a little intro for this video. But anyway, I went out of Africa to get a gift for my host family, and then we also went to Typo to get luggage tags, but like they were so provocative, so you couldn't get that one, but we ended up finding ones that were decent. And then right after Typo, we walked around the mall. Guys, I was admiring the mall for the last time because I love this place. Like, I come here all the time. There's Fifi crying. I come here all the time and I love it so much. And then after that, we went to Mr. Price to go get me a jacket because apparently where I'm going, which is New York City, apparently it's cold. So I'm gonna need a jacket. So we went to go get one at Mr. Price. And this is me just saying, like, I can't believe I'm filming for both TikTok and YouTube. It was so weird. I kept on having to change landscapes. Like, if you know, you know. And then right after that, we went to Discamp to get mousse for my goddess braids. I still need to maintain them even if I'm moving countries, guys. You know, like, we gotta keep the grind going, okay? And then we went to Woolies to get some samosas and fries because I love eating anything from Woolies, like Woolies pastries, all that stuff. Love it, love it, love it. And then right here, I was waiting for my aunt. There she is. How cute is she? She is so adorable. Look at her. Oh my days, she's gorgeous. Eat our goodies, guys. These chips are so good. Yo, yo, they're slapping. Bye, South Africa. Bye bye. We were driving to the dentist now, and then right after the dentist, we're going straight to the airport. So this bag is locked. The other one is not, so we got a lock for it as well. Came from the dentist and everything is good, and now we're on our way to the airport. See it? See it? Airport. No, you have to say it with the English. See it? Airport. 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 Yeah. And that's why Fef is my girl. That's why. Master, you rock. This is my mommy. Mommy, say hi. Hi. Hello. On our way to check in. I'm so glad we arrived early because there's so many things that we have to do. The processes are crazy. Just wrapping my luggage took so much time. Because I'm already crying. Me too. She's about right, she's about right. We're gonna see each other again, and we're gonna keep in contact. We're gonna know what's happening in each other's lives.
She's gonna not get a best friend that time.
I won't. I swear I won't. I'm only getting friends, not best friends. can't help it, but
Wow, the lights in this look good.
yeah, sure. If you didn't cry, I wasn't gonna cry. Oh, we're laughing, but it's actually sad. Bittersweet. It's sad and happy because we are progressing, but I will not get a best. You better not get a best friend as well.
No, I'm just saying
It applies to you as well. We're saying our goodbyes, and there's so many tears and stuff. Bye, Oma. My mommy.
Bye, my baby.
Bye. See your eyes. Bye. Yeah. My friend, guys. Guys, if she gets another best friend, please let me know. I should be the only one she has. Also, you name me. No more best friends. We're not getting best friends. I'm sorry, guys. We're off. We are out. I love you. I love you. Bye. So for the entire 16 hours that I was on the flight, it was pretty pitch black outside because we were following the night, which means we left South Africa at night and then we were also going into America during nighttime. So the entire 16 hours of my flight was just pitch black outside, and I only saw light when I was landing because then it was sunrise, it was in the morning, the sun was coming up. But this is the only light I saw, but it was still great. I did enjoy my flight because there was no one next to me.